Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Steam application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in store.steampower.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Steam website. Now right within the homepage, you will see the Install Steam option at the top section. Go ahead and click on it and then click on the install button, which will download the installer on your system. Once it is downloaded, simply open this file and then click on the next button and choose your desired language. Then click on next once again and you can now choose the destination where you wish to install your Steam application. Click on the browse button to change your install location. You can then click on the install button, which will now begin the download and installation of the Steam application on your device. Once it is completed, the Steam launcher will begin to open up and now you will be asked to log in to your Steam account. After logging in, you will be taken into your Steam launcher homepage right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Steam application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.